See, he's pecking the body of him now, and that thing's like, all right, I've had enough.
Yeah.
Oh, look at his mouth open.
Uh-huh.
This is cool as shit. This is way better than napping.
I think that's it.
That's
Yeah.
it.
Chased him away, huh?
Pretty much.
Take another stab at that snake.
You probably will.
I think so. Oh, yep, there he goes.
That's a hard little thump.
That is.
You ain't moving fast enough.
Yeah.
Go on, get.
I couldn't be a bird in real life. I'd have been yanked that thing off that branch with my talons.
Well, the eagles are. I've seen
they're
them.
aggressive.
I've seen them fly snakes like that to feed the babies.
Yeah.
5-pound nutria,
Mm-hmm.
4-foot snake. Ain't nothing for. I've seen eagles pick up fish like a catfish,
There he goes.
like a 2-pound catfish.
Yep, snake's
Yep,
done.
he's leaving.
Ejectocito.
Oh,
Yep.
there he
Whoa.
goes.
Got popped again.
He's probably gonna.
He might as well just go on and flop in the water and be done with it. That was cool.